up is Natasha Botha, F&I consultant, McCarthy Mercedes-Benz.
Good evening, everybody. I am incredibly honored to receive this award. I would like to thank you, MFC, AVO, Desh and your team, my support team. I really appreciate it. Congratulations to each and every one you sitting here. You all are winners. Let's keep being and empowering women in the motor industry. Thank you very much.
In 5th place, we have Chantal Lennox, Service Advisor, Roller Motor Group, VW, Vredenburg. 4th place, Larissa Naidu, Service Advisor, Motor Honda and Subaru West Rand. In 3rd place, Umzile Mtetwa, Service Advisor, Motor Skia Hillcrest. 2nd place, Letitia Moses, Service Advisor, FMGH, Jeep Hillcrest. And our winner is Shemaine Pillay, Service Advisor, Hayway Ford Waterfall.
Wow, I'm so honored, nervous. Thank you, MFC, AVO, Desh, for giving me this opportunity and this platform. Thank you for the sponsors for this award. I'd like to thank my superiors for recognizing my hard work and dedication. To all my family and friends that supported me during this voting process, especially to my husband supporting me during this time. Thank you guys, I'm truly grateful.